As we grow older, we start taking care of your hearts, of your systemic conditions like diabetes, or other health conditions like bones, arthritis. But we forget something very important: the health of our teeth. So as we age, many conditions such as attrition and abrasion is very commonly seen in geriatric patients. So basically, attrition or abrasion causes loss of enamel from the tooth structure and increases the sensitivity of our teeth. Other teeth conditions that is commonly seen in elderly patients are loosening of gums, bleeding gums, bad breath. And most of the elderly patients or elderly citizens think that this is very common and nothing needs to be done with our oral health. However, this is not true, because as we age, we need proper nutrition, not only for our healthy smile, but also for a healthy systemic condition. And that we can get only when our teeth and gums are healthy. So, the good news is, with right dental care at the right time, even the senior citizens can get a better quality of life and a healthy systemic condition. So, the most common condition that an elderly patients face is they start losing their teeth. So, it is always best to visit your dentist when you start feeling your teeth have become mobile. At the right time, the teeth can be saved if you visit your dentist at the right time. Although, if you have lost most or all of your teeth, there are multiple other treatments for the replacement of the teeth. For example, a removable denture can be given, which is called as a removable partial denture or a complete denture. Other treatment options include fixed treatments in which bridges or even dental implants can be done. Most of the dental treatments can be performed if you have controlled medical conditions, if planned and performed properly. At Dr. Ishita's Dental and Implant Clinic, we focus on gentle and customized senior patients' dental care. From pain-free treatments, well-fitting dentures, to advanced dental implant care, we do it all. Every treatment is planned keeping the patient's safety and health in mind. Because growing older does not mean avoiding your favorite food or living underconfidently. A healthy, confident smile is possible at every age. So, if you or your loved ones is 60 years or above, a simple dental checkup can be the real game changer, because aging should be comfortable and smiling should never stop.